So this is for those of you who don't like wearing full wigs, but you like wearing U-part, V-part wigs. This is a V-part wig from Nadula Hair, and it is their Jerry curl texture. It is a nice curly texture, and it does blend in nicely with my natural hair. I'm going to show you exactly how I blended it. This one is 24 inches long. Now you can rock this wig without leave out, but I decided to rock it with leave out because to me it looks more natural. Look at this hair. It looks so nice and natural, right? Thank Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you're interested in this wig, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. And if you would like to see how I blended this V-part wig into my natural hair, because I'm still natural, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
Got better when you met me a minute. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. Look, how you get so good at being modest, girl, be honest. You said you done trusting these niggas, made yourself a promise. I hate to make you take it back. I've been getting paid for rap, ain't talking about the drums. When I tell you I can make it clap, had to make you wait for that. You intrigued with conversation, you be moving dolo, I'm intrigued and I'm in admiration. I can gas you up, but I don't think you need the validation. Still you looking good, natural without no operation. My old bitch Tayin', your old too. Younger me, he wanted street stripes, but they wasn't blue. Now I'm banking on the sweet life when I'm next to you, giving you the credit you deserve, cause it's overdue. You got better when you met me a minute. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Yeah, you getting better with the times. Looking on your herbs, tasting like some fine wine. Ex broke your heart, you can hear that through a mind. Nick be calling, but you never mind, cause you all mine. Pull up to my house late night, hit the brake lights and the shades right. I know what's up on your mind. Pour a couple shots, put the Henny in my cup, and a couple moments later we'll be putting up a twine. Something that's divine, had to give it time, but I'm patient. I just wanna see on your spaceship. Plus you done the earth and you never on some face. Didn't have the bill, at the women didn't pay shit. Basic, we should take a time, we should pace it. And you 1-to-1, God ain't no copy paste. Felt too many times, this is different, we can make it. Love dripping good off of you, let me taste it. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed.
So I did co-wash this hair before I came on camera and showed it. As you can see, the hair can be super defined, or you can make it really nice and big like this. I feel like it looks nice and natural, big like this. And I love the way that I blend my leave out with the hair. If you don't feel like doing that, you can definitely just put on the V part right here and you don't have to do any leave out, or you can leave less hair out. If you're looking for something more natural, if you enjoy sew-ins, then this wig is so easy. You don't have to pay anybody to do your sew-in. You can just throw this baby on and off as you see fit. So if you've been looking for something that blends in with your natural hair that looks a little bit more natural, I definitely recommend checking out this V-part wig on Nadula Hair's website. I will leave a link down below for y'all. Check it out.
Nadula.